Hi, what's up guys? So guys, for today's video kay karang to tag office kay nami General Assembly today. So, tara, let's go. Life update, mura na mga batok. Na lang handong dali na part. Dili kay init. So guys, nana ko diri sa mong office.
And next is the Honorable Tisha Laika Ayay.